Today we are going to go through how I am using ChatGPT for SEO and how you guys can also do it for your own project. We'll go through keyword research, on-page SEO, technical SEO as well as link building. And at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how you can get access to all these prompts that I'm using in this video. I do not recommend you to use ChatGPT for traditional keyword research because if you see here, if you just put a basic command, it will give you just boilerplate list of keywords. Even if you try to find easy to rank keyword using ChatGPT, it will give you some generic keywords that if you do competitive analysis and everything, you'll find out that these keywords are not useful. So instead, you should use command like this to find out regex that would help you to find out keywords that have words like what, who, when, where, who, to, and that way you can go to your search console and find out the keywords that are easy to rank for. You already rank for them and you have a profile that matches those keywords. So let's try this out. So here is the regex that ChatGPT has given us. Now go to your search console and add a new query, custom regex, and paste it here. And now you will see all the keywords that starts with those question words. Okay, and you can utilize these keywords in whatever way you want. And other way to use ChatGPT for keywords is to, cluster the keywords that you find through other tools. Use ChatGPT to write your articles. If you just write this common command, like write 1000-word article on XYZ, then you'll get a boilerplate content. And it's not good for the SEO. So what I would do instead is use an editor like Surfer or Neuron, and I'm going to show you a manual way also. But for example, if you have access to any of this content optimization tool, you just enter your keyword and get this kind of editor. And once you have that editor, you grab everything from here and instruct ChatGPT to use these things in the article like I have done here. Okay, alongside the common prompt, what I'm going to do is, our main keyword is this, use this in content body, use this in H1, and use these words in H2. If you give such command, then you'll get much better article. If you compare both the articles, one with all this H1 text and everything, and one with just a single command, you'll see that this one is much better article. So you should utilize that. Now let's say you want to assess your existing content, and let's say we are assessing this one for authority, expertise, and all those signals for SEO. You can simply go to ChatGPT and add a prompt like this. For example, imagine you are assessing this on 5 key dimensions like experience, effort, quality, and uniqueness, as well as depth. And the main keyword is broken link building. And then we have given some context to what experience is and what all other dimensions are. And we'll get nice reply like how our content is performing on all those dimensions. Further down the line, you can also ask ChatGPT to grade each dimension out of a rating of 10. And it will do this like this content. Author is showing a very good experience, like 9 out of 10. The content demonstrates a strong level of experience and expertise in broken link building, with author showcasing a deep understanding of the topic. Okay, so what ChatGPT is doing here is analyzing this content, okay, and going through all this dimension. Uniqueness is a little less, but it's still good because a lot of people have covered this topic, and that's why it's giving 8 out of 10. So if this is your content, for example, you can add new information that others are not showing. For example, you can share a tip or trick to do broken link building, and that way this can help you assess your existing content. Now let's say if you want to create a schema markup for your web pages, you can use ChatGPT to do that as well. Let's say you want to create article schema for this, so you can go to ChatGPT and simply write a command like this, create article schema for this, and just press enter. And this will give you a code as well, and you can go through the code, and as you can see, it provides with everything. As you can see, it has taken today's date as date publish and modify. So what you can do is change the published date to whatever the date is. So it's okay, and let's see what changes it makes. As you can see, it has created a new schema with change date. So you can keep giving new command, okay, and it will give you a schema markup. Now you can copy this code and go to schema markup validation tool. Here in the schema markup validator, and you just grab the code from here, paste it here, and run a test, and it will show you all the elements of schema, okay, with zero errors and zero warning. That means the code that ChatGPT generated is ready to go on your website. Just copy to your HTML, or you can also use some plugin to add your code. One of the most important optimization, and you can use ChatGPT to do that as well. For example, let's say you are trying to build internal as well as external links for this page. You can simply go to ChatGPT and write a command like this: I want you to analyze the semantics of this page, the given URL, and suggest 5 URL, and write in English language. Now, if you do that, it will give you some external links that are really authoritative, if you see. And this was Architecture Digest, Apartment Therapy, BHG. All these websites are quite authoritative, so you can use them to build external links from your page. Now, if you want to just build internal links, in that case, what you can do is you can limit and say suggest 5 URL base. Choose this 5 URLs from this website only, okay, and that way, as you can see, it will give you internal links only. So as you can see, this hasn't given us proper internal links. So in that case, what you can do is you can just grab this, the title of the page, and add that here in this command. Now you can see it has given you much better results, like relevant pages from the website itself, and you can link from this article to these pages to build more internal links. You can also use ChatGPT for link building, for example, to create a link type like calculators. You can also use it to write outreach emails and to do some link prospecting as well, but that is out of scope of this video. So I'm going to create another video just for using ChatGPT for link building, because it's going to be long and quite comprehensive. Also, if you want to get access to all the prompts that I have used in this video, just subscribe to my channel and comment in the video, and I'm going to send all the details and all the prompts that I have used in this video. Thank you.